ପାଖକୁ ଆସି ଧର पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा रामाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे आए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय
Namaste everyone. Today, on the eve of the 72nd Republic Day, we are remembering our heroes who had drafted the Constitution and gave us a new life. We are remembering our godfathers who were the freedom fighters, the great freedom fighters. And we are remembering the legends of our society. The thing is, it's in our heart. It's not in our brain, it's in our heart. We always need support of such kind of leaders, and because of those leaders we are able to freely move in this society. As we know that we are celebrating the 72nd Republic Day on today, that is the 26th of January, and on the first 26th of January 1950 our constitution was drafted. So I hope everyone will remember with me. So we always need to have one thing in our mind is we never represent any blood group, we never represent any religion, we never represent any linguistic group, but that we represent is that we are Indian and we all have the heart full of Indianness in our whole body, whole blood. So thank you. Bharat Mata ki jai. जय हिंद.
जय हिंद. नमस्ते पेरेंट्स. हाय एवरीवन. आज जो शुभ दिन पाई जो आज कराई आमर ट्रिब्यूट क्लास तरफ 10th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स विथ नाइट क्लास 8-9 रो पिला माने विथ खुशबू मैडम, गोलोक सर, सार्थक एम समस्त मिसिकी जो आज काम करके देखी तापर हम बहुत गर्वित. सेकेंड कौन वंस अगेन हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे टू ऑल. आपण मैंने जानते कि आज आम 2टाରୁ 5टा भितर चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस आम समस्त आपण मैंने गोटे 20 टଙ୍କା डोनेट करके गोटे डोसाटी खाईपारे आउ से 20 टଙ୍କା जो रही है गरीब पिला आज हेल्प करे. तो मुझे रिक्वेस्ट कर समस्त को प्लीज दयाक समस्त आसतु आ जिन सब उपभोग करूँ. देखो काली आज रात्रि सारा जगिकी पिला माने कौन कर. देखो बहुत बहुत बढ़िया काम है. मुझे प्रॉमिस करती आपको कि आम राति जगिकी कि गोटे यूनिक करवा तो तादे आम सक्सेस हेलु. विथ इना गोलोक सर को मुझे रिक्वेस्ट करी कि गोलोक सर आपको सबू स्टेट्र जो प्रसिद्ध खाଇବା अच्छी से आप गोटे गोटे कर देखिए कहे. थैंक यू सो मच. एंजॉय करूँ. आज निश्चय आप आसतु ट्रिब्यूट क्लास तरफ चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस. थैंक यू सो मच. आई लव यू ऑल.
Namaste everyone. Jai Jagannath. I am very proud to show the all around our institution. We have done a lot of hard work because we have very much respect, very much loyalty towards our motherland. And as on this 72nd eve of the occasion of the Republic Day, we are remembering the great leaders and great heroes who made our society independent and republic. I always say we do not represent any religion, we do not represent any blood group, but we always have India in our heart. So basically, today what we will do is, as we all know, everyone knows that we Indians are very much cautious about our tradition, about our culture. So it is the culture that binds us together. It is the tradition that makes us topmost in the whole over the world, because we are the mixture of varieties of cultures. And these cultures are actually provided by not only the people but also varieties of food, varieties of items all over the states of India. So let's go on for a food tour today. The tour that we don't eat food, the tour that I will show you varieties of food given by our varieties of students. As you can see over here, our students along with our director sir, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Panda, has done a lot of hard work in collecting each and every traditional food item of the whole around the country of various states. So let's start. So first one, we'll start from Tamil Nadu, one of our nearest states. As you can see clearly the picture, idli, vada, sambar, dosa, these are the traditional foods of our South India, the Tamil Nadu. Next we'll go to Uttar Pradesh. Everyone must have listened about Lucknowi kebab, one of the greatest, one of the most mouth-watering kebabs that you will get in Lucknow. And Uttar Pradesh traditional food, about the kebabs only. Next, for Rajasthan, please show carefully. As you can see, we have kachodis over here. Who doesn't like to eat a kachodi when it is raining outside? Who doesn't like? This is the greatness of my country. This is the greatness of traditions of our country, showcasing varieties of food. Next, Goa. Friends, as you know, that Goa is a state where varieties of people came all over the country and many of them settled. So basically, the naan, that is the traditional food, they were combined because of varieties of breads. Okay, so we have shown you Goa. Next, we'll go for a food tour to Karnataka. This picture might be familiar to each and every one of you. We are eating a lot of dosas, and this is a kind of dosa, that is the rava. We are very much familiar with the rava dosa, and the Karnataka's traditional food is rava. Next we will go to Gujarat. Dhokla, one of the most prominent food, one of the most mouth-watering dishes of Gujarat, the dhokla. Dhokla is nevertheless one of the feelings of the Gujarati people. Next, let's go for our nearest, Andhra Pradesh. The pulhari, lemon rice that we say. Yes, the pulhari. In everywhere you go around Andhra Pradesh, or in any temple wherever you go, they will be distributing pulharis to poor people for their servings. Okay, next, Telangana. After Andhra Pradesh was divided into Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, everyone's familiar with Hyderabadi dum biryani. So Telangana, please show them again. Telangana has the traditional food is biryani. The Hyderabadi dum biryani is one of the best dishes and one of the best biryanis that you will have all over India. Next, we'll go on a food tour to Haryana, and here we reach to Haryana. What we have over here? We have the special halwa, Haryanvi halwa. Wow, friends, you must just try once. You must try once. Once I went, what a kind of dish, man. Oh, wonderful. Next, ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାତୃଭାଷାକୁ ଆସିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ପଛ ଘୁଞ୍ଚା ଦେବା ନାହିଁ। ଓଡ଼ିଶା ପଖାଳ ଭାତ ପାମ୍ପଡ଼ ବଡ଼ି ଚୁରା। ମୁଁ ସଡନଲି ଓଡ଼ିଆକୁ ସିଫ୍ଟ କରିବାର କାରଣ ହେଉଛି ନା ମୋ ମାତୃଭାଷା ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ରହିବ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ପଖାଳ ଭାତ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ରହିବ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆସାମ in Assam you will find varieties of sweet potatoes what they do is they mash all the potatoes and make it a kind of aloo dum and this is the mashed potato that you saw okay next we will go to Mizoram is a state with having many of the migrants over coming and settling over there so migrants coming from China and varieties of all over the nearest countries and then so noodles was one of the most prominent dish in cultural times so the traditional food is noodles the ramen noodles not only the noodles the ramen noodles next we'll go to Chhattisgarh kindly show them Chhattisgarh you can see these kind of small rice dumplings that you see those are called the fara dish the fara is one of the most prominently taken breakfast and also the snacks item that they take in Chhattisgarh next we'll go for Jammu Kashmir everybody likes to eat apple we have also heard an apple a day keeps a doctor away but in Jammu Kashmir we get the apples we get the most delicious apples of all around the world because of their prominent climate and another one is that also is famous I just got remembered that the mutton the kind of sheep the kind of goats that grow over there are very much healthy because of which the mutton that we get from Jammu Kashmir is one of the best all over the country next we'll go for Tripura the bhangui dish man what a dish it is what they do is they wrap the whole rice and potatoes and everything that they do they wrap it with a banana leaf and they stew it stew means they just put it over a burning coal and let the burning smoky flavors get erupted next we will go for Jharkhand the dhuska a sweet dish generally a sweet dish but this sweet dish binds the whole Jharkhand together in morning time or evening time wherever you will go near a tea stall or in a restaurant they will offer you some dhuska surely they will offer you some dhuska this is the uniqueness of our country everyone around here in every state we have varieties of food items and this variety binds us together this doesn't separate us together okay next we will go for Punjab as you can see you saw a roti type figure that is the makke di roti with sarson da saag you have seen in various Punjabi movies we have seen in various movies that always they like to eat such kind of dish with whole lot of butter added to it this is the uniqueness of Punjab because they are famous for their rotis next we will go for Manipur you can see a chart like figure over there yes it is the chart only the Manipuri special chart they add a lot of herbs they add a lot of spices with mouth watering and delicious flavors erupting whole around your mouth with some chopped onions over it we don't get such type of charts all around the world it's only specially we get in Manipur wonderfully executed next we will go for Meghalaya this dish is the jar stem what they do is they try to bring all the flavors all over the state together in a small cup and when you bring all those flavors in a small cup you will get varieties and varieties of delicious dreams of flavors this is the speciality of Meghalaya the jar stem then we will go for Arunachal Pradesh the momo everyone is familiar with the momo every evening when we are with our friends we say let's go to eat some momo but this momo is actually the traditional dish of Arunachal Pradesh because all the Chinese migrants when once settled over there they brought a lot of flavors they brought a lot of taste so momo is one of the most traditionally used food over there next Nagaland as you can see This is the Naga dish, the Nagaland's most famous dish, the traditional dish. Many Adivasis settled over Nagaland, many tribal people settled in Nagaland. So they have a little bit uniqueness in their dish. They add pork meat to them, and this Naga dish is very much spicy. They add a lot of green chilies with them. Next, Kerala. Kerala's main dish, the traditional dish that they eat is the puttu dish. The rice mashed with a beautifully cylindrical shape, and one of the best thing about Kerala is they will serve everything to you in a banana leaf. This is the speciality. Next, to West Bengal. My friends, who doesn't like to eat some rasgulla after having a beautiful snacks or beautiful lunch? Everyone is so happy when they eat some sweet dish, and if that sweet dish is rasgulla, then my friend, it feels like going to heaven. Next, we'll go to Maharashtra. Mumbai local, Amchi Mumbai. So many of Mumbai Indians fans over there. So as you can know, vada pav, भाई सुबह हो या शाम हो, वड़ा पाव हाथ में हो. तो अगर ऐसा होगा तो मुंबई वालों को और कुछ चाहिए नहीं होगा. And this is the speciality of Mumbai. Next, we'll go for Madhya Pradesh. The special jalebi. As we saw the rasgulla in West Bengal, just like that, the jalebi in Madhya Pradesh has a special identity of itself. Everyone after having some lunch or dinner are required to have some jalebis in their tables. Next, to Bihar. The Litti Chokha. The Litti Chokha of Bihar, beautifully created herbs, spices. The uniqueness that they do in their dish is about the pinch of coriander leaves that they add at the end of the making. It's wonderfully done. If you somehow, one of you who is watching this video, if go to Bihar someday, have some Litti Chokha. Next, we'll go for Sikkim. The Gujia. Many of the Odia families also, and all around the South Indian also, during some pujas or something, we do a Gujia. What we do is mash some coconut, fry it some with sugar, then deep fried. This is the speciality of Sikkim, their traditional food, the Gujia. Next, we will go for Himachal Pradesh. The Chana Masala. Yes, the Chana Masala. It's one of the most oldest and traditional food ever made in the Himachal Pradesh. They always like to eat the Chana Masala with everything. They have roti, they will eat with Chana Masala. They have puri, they will eat with Chana Masala. They have rice, they will eat with Chana Masala. That is the beautifulness of my country, of our country. And the last one, we'll go for Delhi. The Chole Bhature. Everyone likes to eat the Chole Bhature during the cold evening nights. So Delhi has a variety of traditional foods, and their traditional food is, we cannot say that it is actually Chole Bhature, because Delhi is surrounded by numerous number of traditional states. They are surrounded by numerous number of states, and so basically from the starting also they always had a puri with some chole, and they always called it the Chole Bhature. So thank you, my friends. I hope you like this video. We did a lot of hard work for creating such kind of environment to show you the different cultures, different varieties of food items in our country. Hope you like this one. So thank you. On the occasion of 72nd Independence Day, I just want to say a single word from my heart. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you. Namaste.